Hi, welcome for our online training sessions. In Vision Applications, latest version 26A, right? Version is release 13. As usual, version will be release 13 on, but there will be update in every quarter, right? Right now we are in 2026. This is 26. We are in January. We are in February. Today is February 2nd, right? So it's a first quarter, 26A. From April 1st onwards, 26B, right? Like that, then 26C is 26D. Next year, 27A. It's common, right? Across the world, every client is supposed to upgrade their application from the previous update to the current latest one. So maybe Oracle gives 1 or 2 months time for updating into the latest upgrade. Here 26A, right? So in 26A, when we are doing the practice or working in the project, we are getting issue in FSM because FSM is complete Redwood right now, but still there are some issues. Maybe Oracle will roll back for some time because FSM is the main heart of the product, right? Because we do all our setups and maintenance there itself. Some of the Redwood pages are still not having the proper functionality, and some of the functionalities are errored out, right? But still, in case if you get the instance like this Redwood, for example, if I go to user menu, setup and maintenance, now we can see that Redwood environment has opened here. And I'm able to see something like error response during rest action. And you have no clue here, like if you are doing the practice like earlier, right? Earlier, if you are doing some practice, FSM straight away we used to get here user menu, setup and maintenance, task list, implementation project, right? That we were doing. But right now, I'm not able to get it. I'm not able to see that particular environment. So what we have to do is here, we need to go to this option, select this option, scroll down. There is an option here, additional setup tasks. Select additional setup tasks. When we select this option, then system will allow you to enter into the normal environment. Now we are back into general setup and maintenance environment. And we can find here, as usual, implementation project and copy the configurations and export and import our implementation project tasks from development to testing instance, testing to production. And we can also see other processes. We can perform here. If I go to implementation project, this is as usual, we will work. Some of the tasks are, of course, enabled Redwood. For example, grade. Let's say in global HR model, if we talk about the grades. Earlier grades was classic UI. Now the grades as not classic UI, it is Redwood. But still Redwood is working. Only look and feel, compared to earlier, it will be different. In case if you are not interested to continue with this Redwood, you know, for the grades, what you can do is Redwood for grades. That's what you have to search. What is the profile option for the grade that you have to find out? Okay, so copy this. Minus ORA PR grade ladder Redwood. Okay, this is grader Redwood. This is for grade rates. Redwood experience for the grade rates introduced by Oracle. This is look and feel. We see how we can go for enable and disable. Steps for enabling. So this is the profile option. This is for grade rates. Yeah. Let's come back to application. Administrator profile values. Let's go to global search. Global search means we can find from. Again, we need to come back here. Uh, global search. Additional setup tasks. Here, go to global search. Administrator profiles. Say no. Save. Related to the grades, we also have something called grade ladder. That also I don't want. Say no. Save it. And the grades also I don't want. Same. Obviously, we'll come back to classic UI. Classic UI is more flexible. Once you do the practice in classic UI, if you are good, then go ahead with Redwood pages. Few of the functionalities are missing. I think Oracle has not tested properly in demos. Maybe in the general commercial instance, means fresh instance, it may be working fine. But in demos, when we are doing practice, obviously, we are facing this issue. So this is how we are supposed to resolve it. Okay. So any of the page you are facing some issue related to the Redwood issue, you can put it in comments. You can put in comments. I'll try to find out the solution, how to get it into the classic QA. If you say the functionality you are able to understand and you are able to perform that particular task in Redwood, then go ahead, no problem. Uh, Nothing else. Here it is. Okay. Thank you.